Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 1.7. In this exercise, we will learn concept of duality. We will study how to find duality of given statement. Okay? Hope all of you are familiar with these symbols. This symbol stands for conjunction. This symbol stands for disjunction. Truth value true denoted by capital T. Truth value false denoted by capital F. Tautology denoted by small t and contradiction denoted by small c. Okay. Then what is duality? Any two statements are said to be duals of each other if one can be obtained from other by replacing conjunction by disjunction and disjunction by conjunction, by replacing capital T by capital F and capital F by capital T, by replacing small t by small c and small c by small t. If given statement is in verbal form, then by replacing and by or and or by and. Dear student, keep it in mind while finding dual, this symbol negation is not changed. Okay? While finding dual, negation is not changed. Okay. Look here some examples. Given statement is capital T disjunction P disjunction Q. While finding dual of given statement, disjunction replaced by conjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction, and capital T replaced by capital F. Then dual of this statement can be written as dual of T become F, dual of disjunction become conjunction, P as it is, dual of disjunction become conjunction, and statement Q write down as it is. Then dual of this statement is F conjunction P conjunction Q. Okay. Now look second example. Negation of P conjunction Q disjunction C. Now all of you can see that we know that while finding dual, negation is not changed. Okay. Then here dual of conjunction become disjunction, dual of this disjunction become conjunction, and dual of C become T. Now write down whole statement. Then dual of given statement is negation as it is, P negation of conjunction become disjunction, Q as it is, negation of disjunction become conjunction, and negation of C become T. Okay. Now students, look here. Exercise 1.7. Question number 1. Write duals of each of the following statement. Then how to find dual of given statement. Okay, how to find dual of given statement? Then tell me dual of negation cannot be changed. Okay, dual of disjunction become conjunction, dual of conjunction become disjunction, dual of disjunction become conjunction. Okay, dual of this conjunction become disjunction. Then dual of this whole statement can be written as negation of P Q. Then dual of this disjunction become conjunction, dual of this conjunction become disjunction. Okay, square bracket P dual of disjunction become conjunction. Okay, then negation Q dual of conjunction become disjunction, negation R. Okay, now keep it in mind while finding dual, negation is not changed. Okay, now look at second sum. Negation of P conjunction Q equivalent to negation of P disjunction negation of Q. As we know that in duality conjunction replaced by disjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction. Okay, then dual of this conjunction become disjunction and dual of this disjunction become conjunction. Write down whole statement as dual of, then negation of P Q equivalent to negation P negation Q. Then negation of dual of conjunction is disjunction and dual of disjunction become conjunction. Now third one, if given statement is in verbal form, then how to find dual of given statement? Question number 2, write the dual statement of each of the following statement. Question is 13 is a prime number and India is a democratic country. This is a compound statement. All of you know that while finding dual and replaced by or. Okay, then dual of this given statement is 13 is a prime number and replaced by or India is a democratic country. Then dual of given question is 13 is a prime number or India is a democratic country. It is very simple concept. Now second question, Radha and Sushmita cannot read Urdu. It is very simple for you. Just replace and by or. That's it. Okay. Then dual of this sentence is Radha or Sushmita cannot read Urdu. Okay. Radha or Sushmita cannot read Urdu.